Welcome to this gratitude meditation. Go ahead and find a comfortable seating position. Relax your shoulders. Straighten your back. But most importantly, find a comfortable seated position. Now you can go ahead and close down your eyes. Or if you prefer, you can soften your gaze and focus on a point in front of you. Begin to pay attention to the in-breath and the out-breath. The in-breath and the out-breath. Now in a moment, we will go on a journey of gratitude and appreciation, bringing to mind many memories, people, situations and experiences. Whenever you find your mind wandering, simply bring your attention back to my voice, to the meditation in this moment. As you continue to focus on the in-breath and the out-breath, go ahead and place your hand on top of your heart. Feel the power of your heart. Feel the rhythm of your heart. Take a moment to say thank you to both your heart and your breath. As long as your heart is beating, and as long as your breath is flowing, you are alive. These two automatic functions were given to us as a gift. We never had to work for them. We never had to earn them. They're truly a gift. So as you focus on the in-breath and the out-breath, take a moment to feel the gratitude and appreciation for your heart and for your breath. Now you can go ahead and think of a person in your life, someone who has impacted your life in a powerful and beautiful way. An individual who you felt a deep connection to, or who you feel a deep connection to. Someone who's contributed and enhanced your experience of this life. Someone that you love deeply, that you appreciate, and who has supported you as you move through this journey of life. Bring that person to mind and take a moment to say thank you. Take a moment to express your gratitude and appreciation. And you can go ahead and place that person and the image of that person on top of your heart space. And feel the love and the gratitude for that person. Now you can go ahead and think of a moment in life when you experience pure joy, a moment of bliss, A moment when you felt so much love, laughter, happiness, contentment for that experience. A moment where you felt so connected. And bring that moment to mind. And remember where you were, who you were with, what you were experiencing, what were you seeing, hearing, feeling. And as you bring that beautiful memory into this moment, take a moment to say thank you. Take a moment to feel that deep sense of appreciation and love for that experience. And you can go ahead and place that moment, that experience on top of the person that you were grateful for into your heart space. Now you can go ahead and think of another moment. A moment that was synchronistic in its nature. An unexpected moment of synchronicity which led you to a beautiful experience. Maybe a moment where you met someone, or where you met a group of people who became new friends. Maybe a chance encounter that led to the most incredible outcome. Bring that moment into your mind's eye. Remember that moment, who you were with, what you experienced, the impact that that moment had on you and on your life. And feel a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation for that moment. You can go ahead and place that moment on top of all the other moments and the people that we've brought to mind already, deep into your heart space. Now you can go ahead and bring another moment to mind. A moment where you felt so proud of yourself. A moment where you felt a feeling of achievement. It may be a moment where you set out to achieve a certain outcome, where you were recognized for your efforts, where you were celebrated for your contribution. Bring that moment to mind. Remember how you felt. Remember the experience. Remember the day and who you were with. Remember how much of a positive impact it had on you. And as you bring all those beautiful sensations into this moment, take that experience and place it on top of all the other experiences and the people that we've brought to mind, on top of them into your heart space, and say thank you. Now you can go ahead and take a final moment, a moment of pure and utter joy and laughter. A moment when you cannot stop laughing. Those moments where you're laughing so much that your sides hurt, that your belly hurts, where your face hurts because you're smiling so much. Bring a moment when you laughed so hard into your mind. Remember who you were with. Remember what it was that made you laugh so much. Remember the joy and the feeling of connection that you had in that moment. And take that moment and place that moment on top of your heart space, on top of all the other moments. And once again say thank you. Thank you for all these incredible experiences. Thank you for all these moments that meant so much and continue to mean so much. Thank you to life and the beauty that life gives us. Thank you for all that is. And you can go ahead and take a deep breath all the way in. Breathe in those moments deeper into your heart space. Holding the breath at the top. Placing a smile on your face. And then exhaling. Go ahead and take another deep breath all the way in. Again, holding the breath at the top. Taking a moment to put a smile on your face and to say thank you once again for all these beautiful experiences. Then exhale. And take one more deep breath all the way in, filling up your belly and your lungs, sending all of those moments deeper into your heart space. Holding the breath, putting a smile on your face. Say thank you once again. And as you breathe out, send this positive energy of gratitude and appreciation out into the world. And as you allow your breath to settle to a natural rhythm, noticing the in-breath and the out-breath, take a moment to say thank you to you. Take a moment to feel the deep sense of appreciation for who you are. And take this beautiful energy into your day.